So I just want to take you on a quick tour of some of the features of our new Canada Marketing Summit. This is a website that we did for an event upcoming. You can see we've created these little JavaScript sort of frame here. It's got all the sharing tools built in for Twitter and Facebook and all the sort of social networks and whatnot. You've also got these sort of anchored call to actions here if you want to sponsor, register, or participate in the contest. These things take you straight to the section in question, basically. So you can see we've got the sort of ordering and call to action stuff handled. Now the interesting and different part is that there's this contest built in that's using our point system, and you can see basically you get points for participating. In this case, they're going to give the 5 top place earners a $1,000 prize. So you get points by commenting on things. You get points by sharing. You have to be logged in when you're sharing and to get the points. But when you do, you can see each person. Well, on my profile, it tells me how many points, and then also on the top of the page here, I've got this little section that lets me look at my rankings. So if I click on the ranking here, you'll see that it shows me all of the rankings of all the people that are participating. You can see I'm number 3 right now after the promoter and this guy Mitch, who's obviously keen for the system. And if we click into Mitch's points, for example, I can go and see where he's getting his traffic from. Most of this looks like direct links that are being clicked. This is from email. So he's probably got this like on his Skype ID or something like that. Here you can see a Google search turned up with his name. We've got plancast.com. So I'm not sure where this is from. Another website that he's put a link on, shared on stuff. So you can sort of get a sense of where. Here's Reddit. He must have shared one of the articles on Reddit. And here's another Google search that's coming in. So by using the sharing tool and sharing it onto these different sites, he's every time somebody's clicking on it, you can see the first click he gets 250, and then each additional click he's getting 50 points for each time they're clicking on his thing every day. So so yeah, it makes for a very unique way to structure contests. Of course, these rankings can tie to winning prizes or anything like that. The other thing that I think is kind of cool is now if I go visit Max. Now Max is a speaker at the conference, and you can see I get to learn a little bit. Or sorry, he's not a speaker at the conference. He's just an attendee. But you can see that we can put in his. There's a comment section for him, and all of those comments then show up on the home page. So people can engage with the speakers. They can engage with each other. We have some additional features that aren't on here that'll let us stream their existing blogs onto the site and let them put up products and have content that they can sell, digital downloads, that kind of thing. So there's a lot of back end involved in the system that ties into this. And again, all of the profiles, we have embed code so they can embed them on Craigslist or eBay or wherever they want. All the sort of email to a friend, import your email address book, all of those contacts of course go into the database. Again, the sharing tools, RSS feeds. RSS feeds also have the tracking IDs installed, so if you share these through your Google Reader or anything like that, then they'll also count for points. So you can see a great way to implement our community suite for a conference event. And if you need a similar site for your conference, don't hesitate to check out tribexl.com.